Hello, my fellow fans of Dowsing and Mind Body Wisdom. Have you been feeling sort of beaten up by life these days? I've been feeling that way, and I know a lot of my friends and family have just said it just feels, like all this weight on us, the overwhelm, and sometimes feeling like just we're in some kind of a butt-kicking contest and life is winning. There's just a lot of heavy stuff going on, right? And that can lead to us feeling like our energy is drained, and just it's a tough time sometimes just getting out of bed and doing what you got to do. So here's how I find and clear these emotions that are related to feeling just taken down by life, by the harshness of this world. So what I do is generally douse to find out how severe this feeling is, right? Because that's how you can measure from how bad you were to how much better you feel. Dowsing is a simple way to connect into your intuition. Some people use it to find water, others use it to find minerals, gold, lost jewelry, lost items, all kinds of stuff. You can read energy for yourself, animal friends, family. It's the best gift I ever gave myself besides spiritual growth and my spiritual beliefs is dowsing. So if you want to learn how to dowse and you're wondering, I don't even know where to begin, I would suggest, of course, my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's at Amazon. As you can see, pretty big book. Plenty of room to write your notes and things like that. There's charts, photos, worksheets, all kinds of stuff to help you along your path. It's good for advanced dowsers as well. There's probably some stuff in there you haven't heard of because I got 30 years of knowledge in that book. So back to feeling like the world kicked you in the butt. I'm just going to dowse. This is a yes answer, this is a no answer, this is deviceless dowsing. A device that a lot of people use is a pendulum. I like to use them to clear out my energy and instill positive things. So let's see how much we can get through in this particular video. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being feeling great and 10 being feeling like life has just about kicked me to the curb, my severity level on this topic is level 10, 9, 8. Ooh, that's pretty high. Okay, do I have permission just to clear this all out today? What kind of fears are going on? I always check for 5 fears. Fear of not being safe, fear of failure, fear that with every success comes consequences, fear that the bad times will never end, and fear of a rejection or abandonment. Those pretty much cover everything. So if you're someone like, I don't even know what's going on, I don't know why I feel this way, and I've worked with a lot of people who didn't know, why do I feel anxious all the time? Dowsing will find it, and then clearing your governing vessel meridian, going like this, which is a little bit of Eastern Western medicine combined, or tapping the acupressure points under your nose. That starts clearing the energy as you're focused on and speaking about what you want to achieve, what you want to release. So I right now have a fear the bad times will never end, fear of failure, rejection, abandonment, consequences of success, and not feeling safe. Okay, and those are both level 8. Okay, so those are 2 big ones and they're at level 8. I didn't know I was going to be working on myself necessarily today, but here we go. And feel free to just work along with me because you probably have very similar fears to be released. You don't need to know how to dowse to do the clearing. You can just clear and get done as much as you can. I now release this severity 8, fear that the bad times will never end. Oh my God. I now release all my fears of not being safe in this world. Feeling kicked to the curb by life. Feeling like life is kicking my ass every day in every way. I'm letting this go now. This is a good one too, crumbling motion. Letting go all these feelings, these fears. Feeling just so tough sometimes, like I'm in this deep pit, along with the rest of the world. I also disconnect from sensing all other humans' energies and emotions, and any non-beneficial entities, energies, emotions in me or any of my energy bodies now. I let them all go. Let them all go. Cleansing, 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 cleansing. And then I'll just do a quick little spin clockwise to spin in some good stuff. I like this because, you know, the chakra system, which are all the energy centers in us, those are spinning like crazy too. So I'll be spinning some good stuff in. I now spin in just Spirit's energies, 100% life force, 100% bliss, 100% health in all my beneficial cells, and strength and power, tenacity. I spin in 100% resilience and get up and kick life in the ass. I actually had a boyfriend at one time who was a multimillionaire, self-made, and he would get up every morning and he'd be like, "Good morning, life. I'm going to kick you in the butt today." I was like, I love that. So take that, life. There's going to be some butt kicking going on. Your end, not mine. Amen. In fact, I might have to wear out both sets of kneecaps, kicking you in the butt, life. Oh, I just keep getting weirder and I love it. Okay, so I just felt like this nice plateau and a rush of energy, and I hope you're feeling well. I'm also going to douse really quickly and just ask. I now, as human Colleen, not the spirit, still feel like life is kicking me in the ass, feeling like I've been kicked to the curb, feeling sad and sorry and that life is winning over me. Nope. Okay, I now feel healthy, strong, 100% life force, 100% bliss, ready to wear out some kneecaps, kicking life in the ass. Yep, that's how it is. So, hope you liked this video. I had so much fun making it. Let me know if you like some other kind of videos. If I know about a certain health situation that I have helped people with or myself, I'll be happy to make the video. I can't always know all the different ailments and stuff that people email me with. If I don't have experience with it, I'm not going to make a video and tell you how to help yourself with it, because I don't know. So I just wanted to give that little disclaimer there. Check out my website, please, emorescue.com, for lots of free ebooks, audios, articles, videos, things like that. And if you can leave a comment, let me know if you like this video or not. As I always say, your comments mean so much to me. I just read them and I'm like, oh, you give me the strength and the power and the tenacity and the resilience to carry on. So thank you. You are a treasure. God bless you. Namaste. Peace out. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.